Hello and welcome back to my channel, Ask Nolan. Today we're going to be taking a look at some 6th grade math questions that involve using unit rate and ratios to answer these questions. So let's go ahead and jump on in. A muffin recipe requires 2 eggs for 1 dozen muffins. How many eggs does Mario need to make 4 dozen muffins? All right, and they've provided us a table here. So this table is going to actually help us out a lot. We can go ahead, because what we're trying to figure out, if you want to determine what they're increasing by each time, right? And once we figure that out, it'll make sense what we have to do. So it's 2 eggs for 1 dozen. So if we make 2 dozen, we have to add 2 more eggs. For every dozen, we have to add 2 eggs. Okay, so this is counting by twos. It's plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, and plus 2. So if we follow that pattern, 6 plus 2 would make 8. And that's our missing number. So either we put the 8 here or we put it there, but we can't have it in the middle. Remember, whenever you fill these in, you cannot have the 8 in the middle. It has to be all the way to the right or all the way to the left. I'm going to just put mine all the way to the left and bubble it in. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at one more question. Number 6 says, a waffle recipe requires 4 cups of flour for every 3 cups of milk. How many cups of milk are needed for 16 cups of flour when 16 cups of flour are used? Once again, we'll be using our same technique here. Every time you increase the recipe, you got to add 4 cups of flour and 3 cups of milk. So the flours are increasing by 4 each time. And the milk is increasing by 3 each time. All right. So to figure out that missing value, we just need to do 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So that would be our answer here, 12. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at one more question. Number 7. Number 7 says, the table shows the swimming speed of a leatherback sea turtle in miles per hour. What is the missing value in the table? Well, let's figure this out. The numbers on top, they're increasing by 1. Okay. And the numbers on the bottom, we don't know what they're increasing by, but we do have 2 numbers back to back. So to figure that out, we would just have to subtract here. So 84 minus 63. And we can actually do that by hand. 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. So these should be increasing by 21 each time. So to figure out what the missing number is, we need to do 21 plus 21, which is 42. So there's our answer choice right there. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you all have a good day. See you all back later.